Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great day and weekend so far. Welcome to this new video on Hyperliquid. Now, I covered this before when they just launched and when they just distributed the airdrop. I am not certain how many people are interested in that, in this. All right, Hyperliquid right now, I think is one of the biggest opportunities in the crypto markets. So therefore, I did want to make a video about it, and I did want to tell you about it a little bit more. We'll do a technical analysis, but we'll also talk a bit about the network, because if you don't know, Hyperliquid is a new layer 1 blockchain. As you can see, it's already top 8. And at the same point of time, look, the price has gone up, basically only up since the start. It actually launched at $3, right? So it's almost at that 10x already. But at the same point of time, if you take a look at the current market cap, it's $6.4 billion. And if you compare that, if we take a look at the chains, which we just saw a moment ago, and we take a look at the total value locked, what you can see is that Hyperliquid is already stronger than Sui. But Sui, Hyperliquid has a market cap of 6.44, and Sui at the moment has a market cap of $13 billion. Which means, especially with the hype you can see around Hyperliquid and its ecosystem right now, which means that Hyperliquid can still realistically get to $50. So I think this is, look, it's not guaranteed that we will. I do think at the moment, if we look at the technicals, it is still most likely that we'll at least rally up higher towards 27.5, but also $30, for example. Still most likely, it's obviously not only going to continue like this, but still it needs to be on your radar. All right, and I would greatly recommend you as well to keep an eye on some ecosystem coins. So if you go to hyperliquid.com and you connect your wallet, you can actually trade some ecosystem coins from there as well, and you can see coins like this, like Hyperfun. In the last 7 days has gone up 50%. No, that's actually not true. This only launched, or you can only track the price on this since yesterday. This was at like $50 a couple of days back. But so what you see is that a lot of these newer coins on there are doing extremely well. Like this is the biggest meme coin, has also 2x in the last week, and that's not even the strongest gainer. So there's a ton of opportunities on its ecosystem. It is growing rapidly, not only in TVL, so ecosystem and network growth, but also in price. And at the moment, what you can see, look, we had a bit of resistance here from $25, which is logical. It's a big psychological resistance level. And we're also getting towards relatively high TVLs or relatively high market caps right now. Found resistance, but so far we dropped back down into the trend band here. And we found very strong support from that as well. So at the moment, I still think it is most likely that we will be able to get bullish continuation here. The main support level right now is this level right here, mainly between $20.5 and $22, I'd say. All right, so as long as this level holds, and that's also, I think, the main level to keep an eye on. As long as that level holds, we are still bullish technically, and it is still most likely that we'll get a breakout above $25, and we'll get continuation into 27.5 and probably a little bit below $30. So this is, if we take a look at the fundamentals of Hyperliquid right now, if we talk about the technicals, but also the recent volume surge, because even in the weekend, the volume has increased by quite a bit, which is an indication of a lot of the liquidity in the market going here. This is most likely. All right, so if you're interested in this, let me know down in the comments. I will make more updates on this. I can also make some updates on ecosystem coins that I like, so let me know if you'd be interested in that. But for now, that's it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my videos. Don't forget to check out the ecosystem, please, because like I said, I think it's an amazing opportunity. But that's it. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.